The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley is a comprehensive exploration of the habits, behaviors, and characteristics that define America's wealthy individuals. Through extensive research and surveys, Stanley and his co-author, William D. Danko, uncover surprising insights about what it truly means to be a millionaire in the United States. This book challenges many common misconceptions about wealth and offers practical advice for those who aspire to achieve financial success. In this summary, we will cover the key points and takeaways from the book. Chapter 1: Meet the Millionaire Next Door. The book begins by introducing the concept of the millionaire next door, which refers to individuals who have accumulated significant wealth but live relatively modest lifestyles. These millionaires are often not easily recognizable because they do not display their affluence through extravagant spending. Chapter 2: Frugal. One of the central themes of the book is the importance of frugality in building wealth. The authors emphasize that many millionaires are incredibly thrifty and value-conscious. They are more likely to buy used cars, live in middle-class neighborhoods, and avoid conspicuous consumption. Chapter 3: Time, Energy, and Money. The authors stress the idea that financial success requires a strong commitment of time, energy, and money. They highlight that millionaires are diligent in managing their finances, budgeting carefully, and making informed investment decisions. Chapter 4: You are what you drive. Contrary to popular belief, the type of car a person drives is not necessarily indicative of their wealth. Many millionaires prefer practical and reliable vehicles rather than luxury cars. They prioritize financial independence over status symbols. Chapter 5: Economic Outpatient Care. The authors discuss the concept of economic outpatient care, which refers to the financial assistance that parents provide to their adult children. They caution against enabling dependency and suggest that self-sufficiency is a crucial factor in building wealth. Chapter 6: Affirmative Action, Family Style. This chapter delves into the role of education in achieving financial success. The authors argue that while education is important, it should not lead to excessive student loan debt. They also emphasize that financial discipline within families is crucial for wealth accumulation. Chapter 7: Find Your Niche. The authors stress the significance of finding a niche or a specific area of expertise in which one can excel and generate substantial income. They provide examples of millionaires who have built wealth through niche businesses or professions. Chapter 8: Jobs, Millionaires versus Heirs. Stanley and Danko compare the career paths of self-made millionaires with those who inherit their wealth. They find that self-made millionaires tend to be more frugal and hardworking, while heirs often struggle to maintain and grow their wealth. Chapter 9: The Home, America's Most Overrated Investment. This chapter challenges the notion that a home is always a great investment. The authors argue that many people overspend on their homes, neglecting other investment opportunities. They stress the importance of considering the true cost of homeownership. Chapter 10: Never Quit, What It Takes to Be an Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is explored as a path to wealth, and the authors highlight the characteristics that successful entrepreneurs share. They emphasize persistence, risk-taking, and a willingness to learn from failures. Chapter 11: You Are What You Wear. The book continues to debunk common misconceptions about millionaires. The authors explain that many wealthy individuals do not prioritize designer clothing and accessories. They focus on value and quality rather than luxury brands. Chapter 12: The Big Three: Taxes, and Taxes. The authors stress the importance of tax planning in wealth accumulation. They discuss various strategies used by millionaires to minimize their tax liabilities legally, such as investing in tax-advantaged accounts. Chapter 13: The Wealthy Barber. This chapter explores the role of financial advisors and the importance of seeking professional advice. The authors caution against advisors who may have conflicting interests and recommend finding trustworthy and knowledgeable advisors. Chapter 14: Balancing Act. Achieving a balance between spending, saving, and investing is crucial for long-term financial success. The authors provide practical tips for finding this balance and emphasize the importance of setting financial goals. Chapter 15: Getting Rich Slowly. The authors conclude by summarizing the key principles that millionaires follow to build and maintain their wealth. They emphasize the importance of discipline, hard work, and financial education. In The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko challenge conventional wisdom about wealth and provide a roadmap for individuals who want to achieve financial independence. The book underscores the value of frugality, financial discipline, and a long-term perspective in building wealth. It serves as a guide for anyone looking to emulate the habits and behaviors of the millionaires next door and attain their own financial success.